Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create a group email link in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. For example, we have many email addresses and we want to send email to all of them at the same time. You don't need to send them separately or enter their email one by one. You just need one click to enter all the emails, like this. As you can see here, all the emails are added. Let us see how to do it. Click into the target cell, type hyperlink function, quotation, mail to, colon, quotation, type % to use another function, text join, semicolon in between quotation, comma, here choose true, comma again, select your range, close the bracket, comma, write friendly name, quotation, we will name group email, quotation, and then close the bracket, hit enter. As you can see, group email is hyperlinked. Here all the emails are added. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.